everyone, my name is Simi Gautam and I am third year of BLLB. I am going to speak for the motion on the topic of water crisis due to the government failure. So before moving ahead, I would like to tell you the meaning of the water crisis. The water crisis refers to the water scarcity due to the failure of institution to ensure regular supply of water or due to the lack of proper infrastructure. The failure of government around the world in order to place a clear value in water, it's widespread leading to a water shortage, water scarcity, the water crisis all over the world. Basically, some of the current problems have been highlighted by the COVID-19 with respect to the water crisis, as 3 billion people around the world are affected by the problem of the water crisis because they doesn't have a clean water to drink. According to the World Water Development Report 2021, if the government seriously took the consideration with respect to the crisis of water, then this misissues and misallocation would become more apparent, and it would be highly possible to share the water resource to the people who need the most. According to the Director General of UNESCO, who published his report on behalf of United Nations Organization on the topic of the water crisis, he said that the water is the most precious resource, and it is not only important for the survival, but also it is very important for the sanitary, social, and culture. He also talks about in his report about the ignorance of the government in order to place a clear value on water, or in order to ensure a regular supply of water to the people. If I am talking about Indian situation with respect to the water crisis, then most of the cities belonging to India are highly impacted by the problem of the water crisis. In spite of launching so many programs, in spite of launching so many schemes with respect to the water crisis, Indian government is still unable to cope up with the problem of the water crisis. But there is a quote: "Problem never remains same." If the government seriously wants to curb this problem, then the government seriously follows the method which is provided by the expert in order to curb the problem or in order to deal with the problem of water crisis, such as invert new water technologies. Second, recycle wastewater. Third, educate the people about the importance of the water in their future. And lastly, most important, population control. Because population is a very important reason behind the water crisis. As the population control, the quantity of the water declines. So there is a highly need in order to have a population control bill which deals with the population growth. So in sum up, water is a precious resource, and it should not be wasted by the government, and it should not be wasted by the people as well. So thank you so much for letting me share my thoughts.